Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to send a travel certificate to your patients traveling to and from your practice. We're going to start off with a booking made for the patient in your diary. Before your patient can travel to your practice, you need to email them the travel certificate. To do that, click on their booking and in the diary side panel, click on the clinical button. Now, in the clinical screen, add a Seek Notes event. From here, there are two ways to create a travel certificate. You can use a pre-set up travel certificate template, or you can create a custom travel certificate by ticking the box next to Generate Reason to Travel Certificate. To use a template, click on the down arrow next to Seek Note in the top left-hand corner of the screen. You will see that there are already two pre-loaded templates to choose from. First, we want to use the Travel Certificate to Practice template. Once the template has been chosen, the fields will be completed according to its setup and the placeholders used. The placeholders will pull in the information from the patient, their booking, and your practice. This will depend on the type of placeholders used in the setup. Take note that if the patient's address, for example, isn't added in their file, then the placeholder will need to be replaced manually. In the case that a family member or responsible person needs to travel with the patient, you can simply tick the box next to Prepare Family Responsibility Certificate for family member. After the box has been ticked, extra fields will appear that need to be completed, including the reason for leave free text box. Your doctor's signature can also be added either manually or added by using your PIN that you've set up. We do have a video on how to add a signature as well as how to set it up linked in the description, or you can wait until the end of this video for the recommendations. Ensure that all the information is correct and completed. Once you're done, click on the email button at the bottom to send it to your patient. Remember to click on the Save and Close button once you're done. After the patient has arrived and the consultation has been done, you can create another travel certificate. Again, add a Seek Note event and choose the Travel Certificate from Practice template. This template will differ and will include a sentence where you can add that the patient will visit a certain pharmacy or hospital. Ensure that all the information is correct and completed. From there, you can click on the Print button at the bottom to print it out for your patient to take with. Remember to click on the Save and Close button once you're done. If you wish to edit either of these templates, you can click on the Settings button in the top right corner. In the Entity Settings tab, click on the Workflow Event Templates panel. Scroll down to the Seek Note section and you'll see the two preloaded templates, Travel Certificate to Practice and Travel Certificate from Practice. Click on the relevant templates Edit button. The Workflow Event Template window will pop up where you can edit the template as needed and make use of placeholders from the drop-down. Once you're done editing, click on the Save button to save your changes in the template. Once you're completely done, click on the Save button to save your settings.